Hello and welcome to another DJI Mavic Air tutorial. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to get 360 photos for Facebook and Google Maps using the DJI Mavic Air and the controller today, also with the Digi S2 smartphone. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the gimbal guard mount and get your controller set up with your phone. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go fly the Mavic Air. So you press the go fly button. Once you press the go fly button, you know what you're doing. You load it up, you get your screen start. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is push the sticks down and take the aircraft off. Now that we have the aircraft in the air, we're going to choose our desired location, which for this particular 360 is going to be just over here. Okay, once you've got your aircraft in new position, you can check the screen. Once you've got the aircraft where you want to take the video, all you have to do is go into here, then change the settings, click the camera mode, and then choose photo. Once you've gone there, panorama and sphere. Okay. You've got your sphere photo on your PC or your laptop. What you're going to do is you're going to email yourself the photo. So email yourself the photo. So in this case it's number 93. So I've emailed it to my phone. Then what I've done is I'm going to go into, here's the file, it's just downloading off my emails right now. So I'm going to wait for it to download. The second it's finished downloading, what I'm going to want to do is open up Google Chrome. Type in 360facebook.com. Okay, once it's come up with 360 Facebook, it's going to give you this option to drop a file, 20 megabytes being the maximum size. So you've got to make sure that your panorama is less than 20 megabytes. This one here is going to be 15, so it's just loading in now at 91%. So basically email it to yourself, get it up on the app, super easy to do. So okay, so the photo has now finished downloading. See, it's download completed up in the top there. So you're going to go to 360facebook.com, select image, then select the panorama, click done, there we go, and then it's going to upload the photo. So this one's 15.6 megabytes. Okay, so it's going to take a few seconds, it will upload and then it will download. Okay, so just wait for that. Okay, so you finished downloading your image, and here it is. You're ready to go. You've got the full 360. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to open that photo in an app called Street View. So you'll need to download it. Links in the description just below. So once you've done that, import 360 photos. Once you've done that, once you've got your image, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open it up. Okay, and then select it, and hit publish to Google Maps. It will know where it is automatically. Okay. Now we go add photos of video, select this one, click done, and then people on your Facebook page will be able to move around, view the photo, and that sort of thing. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. It's going to be available on Facebook.